Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Wendy's Kooky Crochet Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to surface crochet. So I made these little 5x5 kind of blocks or squares, and I'm going to surface crochet on them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my 5mm hook, which is the same hook I use to crochet my squares here with. I'm also going to use my disappearing ink paint. So, or not paint, but markers. So this is disappearing ink marker. So I'm going to use that to how I want my letters. And then I'm going to use just traditional colored kind of yarn. So red, green, yellow, blue, orange for my block colors. So I'm just going to do like A, B, C on them. So first what I'm going to do is going to grab one of my blocks and I'm going to write an A on it. Again, this is disappearing ink, and you know what, this is absolutely does not have to be perfect, so don't worry about it if it's not perfect. It's okay. So I'm gonna see if white will it shows up a little bit, so I may be able to see the white somewhat. I don't know, can I see that very well? Maybe I'll try a different color. This may not be dark enough for white. Let's see how purple shows up. Oh yeah, purple shows up nicely though. So I'm going to do the A. Straight line up. Again, I'm not looking for perfection here. If I was, then I would not be the one doing this. And then straight line right about there. So there's my A outline. So now I'm going to take my yarn and I'm just going to insert my hook and I'm going to grab my yarn from behind like this. I'm going to pull up a loop. And so see, I have my tail end, which I'm just going to hold my tail end back so it doesn't get in the way, and then I have my yarn end, or the end that's connected to my skein of yarn. So I'm just going to insert my hook into that next stitch. Again, I'm going to try to keep that tight, and I'm just going to do like a slip stitch. So you just pull your yarn through just like that, and then you just keep going until I'm at to where my purple ends. So I'm going to go to the next one. Some people like to use a smaller hook size, which is fine too. I'm going to go to my next. And so here I've made one of the little legs for the A. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this off and then pull it through to the back. I'll have lots of ends to tie off doing this. And maybe I'll make the next one the mix. Alright, so continuing on, I'm just going to go into that next stitch there. And this one again is going to be a little bit longer. It'll have 4, not 3. Then I'm going to tie it off. Then I'm going to poke this out just a little bit because it looks kind of funky like that. Alright, so now we're going to start doing the diagonal part, and you can, it's already, see how good this fades, it's already starting to fade, which is kind of great. I like it. So I'm just going to go kind of in the middle here, and again, this does not have to be perfect, so I'm just, again, pulling up a loop. Oops. Hold that one end, and then I'm going to do this at a diagonal. And just get it as close as you can. It does not have to be perfect at all. Just remember that. Okay, now I've got one done there, and of course I can go back and straighten this one out later. Now I'm going to go down to the other side, and you can barely see that line still, so it's already starting to fade, which is fine. That's good. Definitely want it to fade. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to my channel. It would really mean the world to me, everyone. Alright, now I'm going to do the same thing with this, and of course you could make your A larger if you wanted to. So again, I'm just going to pull this through here. The back ends up being pretty messy. I'm going to start the next one right here. I'm just going to do this straight across. And I'm going to cut this again. So now I have my A made here in the red. That's really it, guys, as far as surface crocheting goes. It's lots of fun and super easy to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and happy hooking, everyone.